Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I tried to fix it. I tried to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My thoughts all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I've broken to a million pieces, and I can't go back. And now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors inside my head? I should have let the dragon and just me light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. That's only good and right. This is what it sounds like. We're shuddering in silence. We're rising defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were loved. Survivors, the dreamers, the fighters, no lying. I'm tired, but dive in the fire. I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. Now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jacket edges me like instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your heart.